Let's solve one previous question of algorithm. This question was asked in GATE CS 2021 set 1 question number 2. Let P be an array containing n integers. Let T be the lowest upper bound and the number of comparison of the array elements required to find the minimum and maximum value in an arbitrary array of n elements. Which one of the following choice is correct? And 4 options are given. I already discussed min-max problem. First go through that min-max lecture, then come to this problem. One array is given having n element. We need to find the minimum number and maximum number, minimum value and maximum value. So in best case, when array is in ascending order, number of comparison required is n minus 1. And in worst case, when array is in descending order, number of comparison required equals to 2n minus 2. So we can say 2 multiplied by n minus 1, it's equals to 2n minus 2. We are taking 2 common. And in average case, in random array, number of comparison will be 3n divided 2 minus 2. The recurrence relation for min-max problem is 2t n divide 2 plus 2. After solving this, we'll get 3n divide 2 minus 2. You can solve by backward substitution. Always best case less than equals to average case is less than equals to worst case. Here in best case, number of comparison equals to n minus 1. In average case, 3n divide 2 minus 2, and in worst case, 2n minus 2 comparison. And here it's given, let t be the lowest upper bound on the number of comparison. So we need to find lowest upper bound. Let t be the lowest upper bound, and we need to find the range of t. So t will be between which? So as t be the lowest upper bound, t will be in between best case and average case. So here it will be t. T range will be between best case and average case. It is the lowest upper bound. So t value will be greater than n minus 1 and less than equals to 3n divide 2 minus 2. T will be in this range. Now check the option. Option A, t greater than 2n minus 2. This is false. So maximum number of comparison is 2n minus 2. T cannot be greater than 2n minus 2. T always less than 2n minus 2. Next option B, t greater than 3n divide 2 upper limit and t less than equals to 2n minus 2. The range is correct, but here it's given lowest upper bound. Lowest upper bound means it should be between best case and average case. Here it's between average case and worst case. So this is wrong. Next option C, t greater than n and t is less than equals to 3n divide 2. Yes, this is correct. T value is greater than n and t is less than equals to 3n divide 2. Its upper limit. So answer will be option C. And t is greater than log n base 2 and t is less than n. So n is the lowest bound. So t value should be greater than n. Here t given less than n and t is greater than log n base 2. It is wrong. This is not exact. Here it's given t is greater than n. We can write t is greater than n minus 1, but it is fine. Even here 3n divide 2. Here it's 3n divide 2 minus 2. I already discussed min-max problem. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.